guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can reset the service indicator of a BMW 7 Series G12 model. In this short video I'm going to show you I can reset the indicator. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, first of all, press the ignition on. That's by pressing a couple of times of the stop button. Then we have an indicator over here popping up. Wait for this area to clear. Then we're gonna use the button over here, press and hold it. We had an oil change for this car, a brake change. We have the brake pads. We're gonna reset it, release it, press and hold it again. You'll see release, press and hold it again. And you'll see that the brake indicator is reset. Press it to go to the next surface you want to reset. We did an oil change. That's this one. Press and hold it, release, press and hold it again. And you'll see that the service indicator has been reset. The indicator over here popping up doesn't appear anymore, so we're done. There are multiple indicators you can reset, so choose the one you want to reset and do it like this. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.